Today, I'll show you how to change the text message format in WhatsApp without using any third-party app. This is a simple trick you can do directly inside WhatsApp to make your messages stand out. WhatsApp has built-in formatting options that let you make text bold, italic, strike through, or even use monospace style. Here's how you can do it. Bold. Add an asterisk symbol before and after your text. Example: asterisk hello asterisk. Italic. Add an underscore symbol before and after your text. Example: underscore hello underscore. Strike through. Add a tilde symbol before and after your text. Example: tilde hello tilde. Monospace. Add 3 backticks before and after your text. Example: backticks hello backticks. You can even combine these styles for more creative messages. For example, asterisk underscore hello underscore asterisk will make your text both bold and italic. And that's it. Now you know how to style your WhatsApp messages without installing any extra apps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.